Another day, another lag day. So we decided to go back to Dumaguete for the third time. Kasi kailangan na namin i-consume yung nakuha naming SEBPAS. Hanggang December 24 lang siya. So, ang weather is hindi masyadong maganda dahil sumabay si Bagyong Wilma. Kaya nag-decide kami na puro outdoor activities na lang muna yung pupuntahan namin. So, first stop namin is pumunta
Hello,
kami
guys.
sa... We're here at National Museum. Since wala akong GoPro, dahil cellphone yung gamit namin.
Doon tayo. Daday tayo.
Oh, say hi!
Ayan na sige.
Jogging, Nak! Jogging!
Hello guys. Naami sa Boulevard, nag-jogging. Boulevard Dumaguete. Ah? Nakata rin, madam. Ah. Ganda ng boulevard. Dagat yan guys. Ikot na.